All right, so today we're gonna put up a job post. Jacob is joining me. So what's up, Jacob? All right, so here we already have the job post written. Philippines admin to join successful online business. I'm looking to basically write exactly what you're looking to hire for. Must have past experience as an admin. Some objectives, and then how to apply. This is the most important part. You're asking for your most competitive hourly rate for ongoing basis. Again, it's not based on a task. It's just on an ongoing basis. And then why they want to work with me, and answer the following questions, 2 plus 3, to see whether they pay attention. So let's put up a job post. Create a new job post. Dedicated long-term work. Yes, usually it's this one, but for this particular one, it's this one. This one will be for my EIN Express team. We already have this. I wrote in capital letters to kind of make it stand out. And then job category. Let's see if we can find one. Admin support. This one will be, let's do virtual administrative assistant. So there we go. Save. Next. We already have the job post. Let's put it there. Nothing going on there. Next, this is for ongoing project. I am only looking for freelancers, never an agency. And then how long do you expect this to last? More than 6 months. Screening questions. If there's any particular times where I need to ask a very particular thing, I will ask a question, but for this I'm not. I'm not sure. There we go. Project. There we go. Next. And then focus. There's no focus for this. So don't worry about that. This one is email communication, file management, data entry, and then yeah, let's go with that. Form completions. See if there's any other ones. Doesn't matter too much. I think they just use this to kind of give you relevant people. Let's go with that. Next, worldwide, and this particular one I want from Philippines, so let's be very specific. Click next. I want anyone, and I'm always gonna choose this one. How many freelancers do you need for this job? Always more than one freelancer. I'm always gonna hire 2 or 3 in the beginning, and we'll take it from there. Give them a test and take it from there. Are there any? I'm sure they do have some saved. Actually, looks like we do already have some saved, so let's add some people here. Because some of these people are my own people, so I'm not sure why they're showing to me again. I'd prefer yeah, not that. Qualifications, definitely. This is one part you have to do. I want somebody at least 500 hours. Let's go with 500. 90% and up. Since there's so many VAs, you want to be as picky as possible. Don't include rising talent. Let's pick fluent, and then that is not relevant. Number of freelancers that it's required. Let's choose, let's say maybe 3. Next. Pay by the hour. We want somebody on the entry level. Let's start off with less than 30 hours a week. Maybe we'll increase it over time. Next. Everything else good. Up. Team, here we go. Update that. Everything else seems to be good. All right, so we're gonna post it, but you don't want to stop there. This is something very important. You also want to send some kind of message. And I do have one saved up. There's some kind of message. I'm trying to find the one that I have. Let's see if it's here. Nope. All right, so here's some kind of message, a personalized message. Are you interested in being an admin on an ongoing basis? Ongoing basis. If so, I'd like to invite my for a job position to join my team. Let's go with that. All right, so we're gonna filter some of these. So click on filter here. Let's be very picky. 90% and up, $10 and below, 1 hour's thing in the past 2 weeks, and looks like we could do that. All right, is that the pickiest we could be, or can we even be pickier? I think so. That's it. All right, close filters, and there we go. Now we have a very good list of people we could hire. I'm gonna pretty much just send. Before, I guess you could write a very customized message, but for now you just invite the job. I guess they wanted to make it easier. And the more people that you hire to your job post, the better. And I'm really looking at the hourly rate and pretty much who they are. So let's take a look at, let's do that. Let's see if there's a filter from Philippines maybe we could do. There we go. There we go. So let's do it just from Philippines. Perfect. That should really narrow it down. Now it usually used to give a number also of how many people that was, but not for this. For this particular one, I'm looking for female. So yeah, looks like back in the day it was closer to 5 and 6, but these days it looks like it's up to 10 an hour. People are putting it, but this number that they put here is not really. It's their offer. You could still counter offer, and especially because you're going to be hiring on an ongoing basis. People love getting a full time, like a 30-hour per week kind of job. But a lot of it I see is $10. Let's see. Okay, let's invite a couple more. Invite the job, invite the job, invite the job. And yeah, so that should be it. And basically we're gonna give it maybe like a half a day, pretty much for people to respond back. And then in Upwork, maybe I'll record in the video, but in Upwork basically you could shortlist them by giving a thumbs up or thumbs down. So I'll do that, and then I'm gonna message them. I'm gonna pretty much rank them by usually by cheapest, and hire 2 or 3 of them. Give them like a very short task, quick task, something that I could get them to do in one day, and then say, hey, it's due by tomorrow, and see who does it the best, who does it the fastest. What I look for also in it is when they respond back is whether they respond back with the answer 5. That way I know that they're paying attention to the job post. And maybe the answer, like it says, give me a short summary of why you want to work on an ongoing basis with me. So I want to see the why. And the reason why I asked that is I want to see whether they're actually sending something personalized based on my website. If they didn't do that, then it means they don't really care enough, or you know, they're just basically a mass spamming people until somebody responds back. I don't want those kinds of people. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens, and then in a day we're probably gonna hire tomorrow. So it's a really fast cycle. All right, thanks guys.